My name is James Nishu from Amboseli Institute of Hospitality and Technology, and I'm a student pursuing culinary arts. And today I'm going to show you a simple recipe of how to make panko chicken with a peanut butter sauce and a side of rosemary potatoes and stir-fried bell peppers. And this is how we're going to go about it. Welcome. Potatoes into nice thick wedges. You marinate them with paprika, some black pepper, and a few twigs of rosemary. Nice. And a touch of olive oil. Mix it in well to ensure all the wedges are nice and coated with the marinade. And after that's done, we're going to leave it to rest for 15 minutes, and then we're going to bake it in the oven. Potatoes are already marinated. We're going to arrange them nicely on the baking tray. And the baking tray is greased to prevent the wedges from sticking onto the surface of the tray. And once you've arranged your wedges nicely, now we're going to go ahead and prepare the chicken for the panko. Now panko basically means breadcrumbs in Japanese. Panko is a Japanese name translating to breadcrumbs. And nice cuts. Now, as you prepare the chicken, ensure that before you start the breading process, that you soak the chicken in water to remove the blood. Now for the breading process, we have flour, we have beaten eggs and we have our breadcrumbs. So first we'll soak the chicken in water to remove the blood, and then we'll proceed from there. Our chicken is from soaking, no blood present. So after you soak your chicken, ensure you pat your chicken dry using a kitchen towel to remove the excess water, and it prevents the chicken from soaking up too much mixture when you're breading. Now from there we're going to marinate our chicken. Put in a few drops of olive oil, like so. A few teaspoons of salt. Garlic powder, sorry. Some paprika. Black pepper. And soy sauce. Mix that in. Make sure you rub it all in. After you've done that, let that sit for about 10 to 20 minutes, and then we'll begin the breading process. Our chicken is nice and well marinated. Now we can begin the breading process. So from here we'll start with the flour, then you move to the eggs, and finally you finish with the breadcrumbs. So rub it into the flour. Ensure you shake off the excess flour. Dip it into the eggs. And finally, coat it with the breadcrumbs. Make sure to shake off the excess breadcrumbs, and make sure also that the breadcrumbs are coated in every area of the chicken. And that is ready for the frying. Repeat the same process for all the chicken pieces. This is actually a really nice way of making a chicken, and very easy also. This method actually gives your chicken a nice, crispy and crunchy surface. peppers. Toss this together. Basically, that is the procedure for making the stir-fried vegetables or the bell peppers. Now our stir-fried veggies are nice and well done, and we are going to set them aside and begin our plating. Yes, after the chicken is completely breaded, now we can begin frying the chicken in hot oil. Place the chicken on the draining spoon. Gently drop into the oil. Now let them cook for 10 minutes, turning on each side. Ensure they have a nice brown golden color once they are done. Make sure not to dip them in the oil before the oil is hot enough. They will soak up too much oil. Now we'll let this cook for about 5 minutes, and then we'll toss to the other side, and we'll do the same to the rest of the chicken. Now once you take them from the oil, place them in a lined, I'm using a glass bowl, but you can use any equipment, and you place them, make sure that it is lined so you can clean out the excess oil. Yeah. Now I've been tossing the chicken 10 minutes now, and the chicken is ready. So just gently take the chicken pieces from the oil. Let the oil drain off. Make sure not to overcook the chicken so that the top does not burn too much because of the welcome. Chicken is done. As you can see, it's nice and brown and well done all through. And I'm going to be serving the chicken with some rosemary roasted wedges, potato wedges, and some stir-fried bell peppers of our recipe, which is the plating. And as you're plating, you have to ensure that your food remains within the inner rim of the plate, which is this area that I'm indicating here. For purposes of holding the plate while serving, to ensure that the fingers do not come into contact with the food on the plate. Now we have our nice well roasted potatoes and a big chunk of our chicken, nice and golden. And finally a scoop stir-fried bell peppers. And a touch of the peanut butter sauce. Chicken with the roasted potato wedges, rosemary roasted potato wedges, and a side of stir-fried bell peppers. That's it for today. You've been with me, James Ndisho. Make sure to try out some panko chicken at home. Till next time, see you.